Hi friends, this is Amol Bhoyer from Vidisha Infotech. In this video, we are going to start learning Visual Studio.net. In future, I am also going to start video tutorials on courses like SAP modules, Oracle, Java, C++, Advanced Java, and many more. For details of the courses which I am going to start, please look at the descriptions of this video. And for more videos, you can subscribe my channel, and it's free of cost, no money, and also press the bell icon for more updates. So let's start the video. Now I have already opened the PDF, created the PDF. Now, what is a .NET framework? .NET framework is a program that is required for other Microsoft programs and packages to run or install software related to Microsoft. Framework in programming terms is a collection of application programming interface APIs, which we commonly know, and a shared library of codes and keywords required for a program to run, and it's predefined. That is, it comes with the installation itself. It also consists of class library files known as DDL files, that is, data dictionary libraries. The shared library of codes is known as framework class libraries, classes which are well known and explained in Java, say C++, which consist of all the required files for running and compilation of applications. Now coming to the .NET framework applications. There are two types of applications. One is Windows based application and the other is web based applications. Now starting with the Windows based application. Windows application is a user based application that can run on a Windows platform. Now coming to the Windows platform, we can say an operating system platform. An operating system can be any. We can say it Linux, Ubuntu, Solaris, then Windows Vista, and so on. The Windows application has a graphical user interface, that is GUI, that is provided by Windows Form. Windows Form provides a variety of controls, including button, text box, radio, checkbox, and other data and connection controls. You can easily design a web application using an IDE Microsoft Visual Studio, using a variety of languages. Now, while coding, we can use either C#, Visual Basic, C++, or J#. And there are many more we can use. For example, we can make use of Python also. As shown above, the list of templates are available under Windows application. So here it is given 2008. We will be working on the latest technology, that is Visual Studio 2012. Now, what is a web application? A web application is a type of application that runs on a browser using a web server configured with Microsoft Internet Information Services, IIS services, we can say. In .NET, all the web applications are built around the Microsoft ASP.NET website, which is nothing but a part of .NET platform. And as we know, while installing some applications like MS Office, Word, Excel plugins, PowerPoint, and XYZ other applications. The .NET framework is mandatory. So the latest framework version is 4.7.2, but we will use 4.5 version for developing our programs. So here are the templates are also available for web applications. Now coming to the difference between a web application and Windows application. Now the first and the foremost difference between the Windows and web application is that Windows application gets installed on a Windows based operating system, whereas the web application is installed on a web server. Now what it means is installed on a PC where we can access it anywhere, from anywhere and at any time. Say that one thing, that the web server must be on. So coming further, Windows application can be accessed from a system in which it is installed. A web application can be accessed from any system through internet, which I explained in my first statement. It can be accessed through internet. You need an internet information services to run the web application as mandatory. Web application can run on variety of platforms including Windows, Mac, Linux, Solaris, Android system. If designed for 64-bit operating system, a Windows application won't work on 16-bit system. That it varies on the bits of operating system. Suppose I have a 32-bit operating system, I have compiled a program of 32-bit operating system, so definitely it will not work with the 64-bit application due to its compatibility problems. So that is why we require, this is the main disadvantage of Windows application. But as compared to web application is independent of the type of system. It can run anywhere, anytime, but it will require an authentication and the web server must be on. So that's it in this video. Hope you like this video. If any problem in this video, please help me so that I can create an accurate and perfect video for all you users to learn freely. Bye. Have a nice day.